Like, and I put that in the chat, man. No, I ain't gonna lie, I be talking to God about this, man. Like, damn, man, like, cause I'm looking at people on my walk. I be looking at people doing their thing, you know what I'm saying? Garbage man and the Uber drivers, and I was just like, damn, man, like, thank you, God, bro. Like this is just like financial. Like this is like consistent data every day that you just you're a data analyst if you really want to be technical. Like because that's my fact. You just like when people ask you what you do, just be like, I'm a data analyst. Like that's it. Okay, I don't even want people to know I trade, bro. Cause man, like, I tell people I sell bricks. I mean, I'm not lying, but they don't. I'm baby ghost. No, we been say you was ghost though, man. We been knew that. We been knew that. They made the show based off your life, man. I do analysis in tech already, so that's why I trade makes so much sense. Yeah. Like you can really like get on here and just like be like, all right, I know what all of this means. Like, and it's so crazy, right? Because in a year, there's gonna be people who just getting on here and be like, man, this shit look complicated, and you gonna be like, nah, it's not. You just gotta. You're gonna be, giving them the same speech I gave y'all a year ago when y'all first started. I be trying to tell people like, once you start something, like the hardest part is just starting. That's the hardest part. The hardest part is actually starting. After you start, it's easy from there. But the hardest part is just starting. I can't wait. Can't wait until I get there where you all are now. You gonna get there. You definitely gonna get there. Some people it took them 3 months. I got some people that took 6 months. You see, Tay only been with me for I think 8 months, and she's been getting consistent payouts. And she started from scratch, literally from scratch. Like she didn't know nothing at all, zero. She didn't know what a chart was. I had to hit her over the head a few times and be like, "No, do this," But yeah, I got some people that's been a year. Like, there's people in the chat that already know how to trade. They don't need me, but they stay just because of the vibes. Like, no, that's so facts. Cool. Like, I think that's so cool. I never get rid of ever. Like, I need to get on that lifetime membership. But for me, it's so hard because I'm not a visual learner, and a lot of people are visual learners. I'm like a read-write learner, so I learn better with like words and text for however my brain's wired. And I'm such an academic person, so it's so hard for me to like look at the charts and capture what's happening in real time. But I'm there. But I appreciate everybody though in this group. It actually happens like that a lot. Like it's always.
I'm expecting price to just keep pushing up.
I just had told somebody this. Like, it's the people who like are like really, really, really smart that have a hard time with trading. Like they have a really, really hard time with trading, but they only have a hard time with trading because like they think just because they're smart that they're gonna grab something so simple. But the thing with it is that the charts is always pretty consistent data, and it's millions, it's trillions of dollars going through the market. So like you have to like most so about thinking fast, being quick on your feet, and recognizing like certain patterns. Don't overcomplicate it. Just recognizing like certain shit. Man, I'm trying to get there though, for real. You gonna get there. You got it. You gonna get there. When people ask me what Lucci do for
I do want the previous daily low though.
Oh, fucking man.
I like how we use that.
Are you able to make moves to help people like your family or the tree group is motivation for real? I'm trying to bless people like you. Yeah. It's stressful though, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like just trying to save everybody. Kind of stressful. Trying to like when you trying to be like the man and like kind of make sure because like I was telling my brother this. I'm like, man, it's crazy because if I don't get up and function on a day-to-day basis, it affects like hundreds of people because not just y'all with trading, but it also with my brand, my businesses and stuff like that. Like if I don't conduct myself in a proper manner, like all that's I pay people bills, like I sign people checks. People make a living because of me, so it's that shit gets stressful because you can't really act out or none of that. Like you gotta kind of keep your composure and you know. So don't rush it, man. Don't rush it. Like rush the money, but don't rush to like be like the person. Responsibility. Yeah, don't rush the responsibility because it sounds good at first, man, but you up at 2 in the morning, like I just want everybody to leave me alone. Like, but when you say if it costs to be the boss, yeah. I think the best trades are artistic pattern recognition. Oh no. I know that one.
I did
pretty
one
smart,
price to
man.
only tap the bottom of this to continue.
Look at this 5 minute candle. Just doing the most.
For real.
I need this candle to come and take out one of these lows on one of these indices. We're trying to go higher, man.
But normally with this 30-minute, honestly, I would have been looking for price or retrace.
Look at this barcode. You like this 1 minute CMD? I'm not looking at that 1 minute time frame like that. I just was like just looking at it, just to see like what was going on. But I ain't gonna lie, I don't really care for it.
30-minute looks like it wants to go.
It used to seem a little on the spectrum. That's crazy. I ain't much know that one. Well, look at YM. Well, YM do it for you. I ain't lying to you. YM could have done it for you.
This midpoint would be a good buy.
Okay. I key want to remove my limit. Yeah, because YM did the most just now. Because why YM go down there? That funky ass. I can really learn this shit. I don't know why YM did this shit. YM ever modified you. Nice meal, dude.
Yeah, study should just keep pushing, honestly. You just gotta hope the 30 minute pulls back for us.
By the way, to 10 o'clock candle tomorrow.
Please.
And then 2 hour candle, it's not really distributing.
Probably just gonna
It's
stay on
really
the 30 minute time frame
inside
today.
candle for real.
It's like this week is stretched out.
I really hate that my stop loss is on this order block.
Why is my screen loading so much? That's probably gonna be the low of the session, to be honest. Um,
This 5 minute candle, you know that'll be it's supposed to be below change of state.
Yeah. Well, not for like the real change of state for to my 5 minute is like right here, way down here. But like this super high, so like this will form an order block formation right here. I'm just like closing below. I really want to take my limit off. We got an SMT now.
hmm? Now, I try trading session with this. So,
So they both just played in our face. Days like this, thank God for 10-point stop losses. I know that 1 minute time frame looked like a barcode.
Why it is hell, boy, I swear.
Y'all did Christmas
if you was good at ranging, it's a perfect movement though.
Yeah. Y'all did Christmas shopping yet? I ain't started yet. What I want for Christmas? I want the Louis Vuitton coffret. Yeah, it's called Louis Vuitton coffret. I just want a peanut bag. That's why I love you. My dog. You've been my favorite. It's all the time. Been my favorite. We doing white elephant. There was a white elephant. Listen, I want the Louis Vuitton coffret. All right. I'm about to show y'all what it is. Hold on. Show y'all what it is. I think I spelled it wrong.
I see the general entry. What is it? Business crash.
You know, I don't want this shit. I need the big one. What's the big one? Hell no. The one I want is like 11K. What is it? It's not this one. I want this one too, but I don't want that bitch. It's not it. Oh, it's right here. I ain't gonna load in for this bitch.
Market moving, Loki.
For my watches and shit. They just don't got enough.
Order filled.
Oh shit, I'm tapped in.
Wow, I was just gonna tell you to go back to your chart.
Stop filled.
I was just gonna come tell you that shit. Cause I was so shorty up into your entry, but I missed like where I wanted to jump in at because it was ranging and I missed exactly where I wanted to be at.
Oh
and
God,
I'm not gonna chase it.
Oh God, I moved my shit pretty even.
That shit just did it.
Damn, I went break even too early.
Take it off too.
No.
Take it off too. Oh God, I'm doing it.
I'm not taking true.
I ain't gonna lie though, if it come back down, I'm in my feelings. Just give me that, bro.
Daddy, come on, bro.
Hey, there you go. Just give me that. Just pass the eval. Rejecting off a gap. Yeah, I know it's rejecting off the gap. That's why I have my entry at. Standard deviation 1. CE of 15 minute. I just need this to give. If it give a change of state and delivery, that bitch way up there, y'all. I don't know if it's gonna get a change of state. I ain't gonna lie, that bitch way up there. Y'all better take the market give y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think that bitch gonna get y'all a change of state though.
Damn.
Taking off one more. Alright, I'm up 4K for the day. I ain't gonna lie, you should took that bottom tick. Hey, y'all notice every Friday I bottom tick? Like every single Friday I bottom tick on live. Like every Friday.
Damn, I could have chopped off this guy's trade.
You might get that change in state. Or we get that change in state. I'm holding this. This is a 2 contracts. I'm gonna hold this little 2. I ain't gonna lie. I told y'all I better take what Market get y'all. I don't think we're gonna get that chance to stay. Don't
30, you just closed there for me.
don't not do nothing.
Sure.
And you know how many people will go back 40 cents? Dude, they will risk the whole 1,500. The whole
40 cents is crazy, bro.
Listen, I've done it before. I've done it before, but I've learned my lesson. I locked myself out like never again. Never again.
Hey, listen. We on a 2-week winning streak. Do y'all hear me? 2 weeks. 2 weeks in a row. Listen, if I could go another 2 weeks, right? And no, I need another 3 to beat my record. I could beat my record. I get to my for CE of your of the inverse. You try to take fee of the inverse, Antonio. You gotta have that Joshua indicator on. You know it came at midnight open. You know midnight open is better than CE. Yeah, y'all right, man. How much y'all made today, man? I ain't asked y'all that in a minute, man. How much y'all made today, man? Let me know. Let me just drop it in the comments, man.
I thought it was a trap. I thought it was a trap. Trick question.
I thought it was a trap, man. How much y'all made, man? We got 1450, 1K, 1954, 1200, 1115. Yeah, but I tell you what, a market get y'all to turn. I don't think they'll get the change state. 25, 21, 900. Let's go. 1K, 450. On here eating breakfast, man. So it's really be eating this breakfast. 850 boss. I need to go ahead and add all this up just to see how much money I'm about to get out of this.
That's why I ain't even saying that.
Thank you.
I need my money, Jake. Jake.
10K? What?
Who made 10K?
Like,
Jamie? Is that what it is?
Jamie made 10K? I can't believe I just made another extra. She went in 5 contracts deep. Say, bro, listen. With the bottom tick, see, Jamie, listen. All I want to tell you is that, like, you just paid for like half of my Corvette because I need that. If I don't get that, God gonna bless your ass in that car that you got outside. Cause I'm telling you, I know voodoo, kung fu, all that shit. If I gotta kick your windows out to get my shit, I'm gonna get that. You gonna come up off that though. How many contracts you went in? Same amount I went in with 5. But I just took some off early because I thought we was going, out the yard. Told you I need 40K by December. It's crazy. We almost got that change in state. If we get that change in state, right, within this same 15-minute candle, we about to go crazy to the upside. So at least these highs right here. Because we got an inside bar, plus we got to change the state within that same inside bar. Yeah, we gonna go crazy. Go crazy.
minutes.
came back.
This ain't they don't matter if I open. Please. I'm stay in the shot, so. What kind of rejection is this, bro? That's dark. Why you doing me like that?
You got that change in state. I hate that we came and took out those highs though as we give that change of state, but like this candle's still got like 5 minutes left though. Thank you.
You over here. Stop up. Stop up.
Take out one more, my 3K still.
I just have to do
Order filled. Stop filled.
Damn, that man.
That's a deep ass candle.
Oh, YM. You need to come closer.
Good thing we got a lot.
5-minute rejection block be valid.
Which one?
The 5-minute.
You talking about this one right here?
Yeah.
Shit, it could be. Yeah. Could be valid. See,
Man,
see, I just had somebody in the they must be new. Bird in my free Discord. They posted. They just made well no Monty. She went in with 5 contracts and made $8,000 on a 50K combine. So yeah, I don't know if she well,
Hey, she grits. She grits. She grits. Yo. Hey, she grits. She grits.
not sure.
Oh, she gotta be new, bro. He gotta be new, bro.
come on.
On the floor, stay out the depth of them just.
I am there.
I'm going to continuation to make 772. Let's go.
36.
What do you expect to happen when like it makes like a sweep close below like on both sides?
You just gotta wait, man. And then this is like the lower time frame, so you kind of want to look at the higher time frame anyway.
The 1 hour.
On the 1 hour,
Yeah. When it sweeps both sides, stand around.
Order filled.
Because again, you just gotta look at the. So you gotta compare this with the higher and lower time frame. So like, we at a 1 hour order block 3, right now, 2, right? We swept this high and we closing bearish inside of the range. Like even though we closed the bottom, we also closed like right inside the range. So like, like if I was
order filled.
It looked like it's making another order block.
Yeah, like if I was to this how
I get cooked.
If I was to get a close below,
I'm bearish
this low
for a
right
couple
here,
reasons.
right? Like a solid close.
I want the
below
previous
low,
daily low to
then
get around.
I then would be looking for price to go lower. So that's only if I get a solid close below that. Like this very next candle, like this week, right? Like this new 4 o'clock, 10 o'clock candle just open.
There's a 5-minute gap.
I would be looking for like we have this high right here. This is the last high that was put in, which means this. Yeah, and I would be looking for price to like go lower if we can get a solid close like on the 5 minutes below that one. You're not gonna get it. We'll see if CE of this week doesn't hold, then we're definitely just gonna go lower.
Well, I'm just looking at big range. This range in this big range.
Into 0.4 right here. So. Had an alert right there. Good break here.
Yeah, first say she got it.
But then,
after it makes in the inside bar and gives a change in state, would it be like the best moment to take a continuation?
Just depends. I just would wait for entry, bro. Like just wait for entry. There's no like super best time for like anything for real.
Okay, add to this.
Order filled.
I'm out of that trade, man. I got cooked, y'all. I got cooked. I ain't
as soon as price gets to this level, yeah. Realize from backtesting is going over data from the past. Normally, it's supposed to be 1-to-1. Please remember I was telling you about the risk reward stuff. At least 1-to-1. But sometimes this setup will go to like 1 to 0.4, 0.5. We can't just reverse on it. Because sometimes remember, if you enter this thing, two things will happen. Either you go TP or you go your stop loss. But before you go your stop loss, it's if you give you small entry, small profit, you could fluctuate. So I realized that a general place it gets to before it will now it will not even go to your TP area at all, around that 0.4, 0.5. So instead of going 1-to-1, it's going to like 1 to 0.5. So it's only doing half of that movement before market will now like reverse or some shit like that. But it seems like when you do this thing, you guys form defenses, defense mechanism where you protect your capital, maybe If market goes small for like small profit, you go reduce your risk. Because if you see how my stop loss there, when market hit that alert, I dey plan move am to like just above like midnight
Yeah, I
open
remember
or
that though.
something.
Yeah, that be hitting, man. But
Because instead of risking
some
this
early
much,
in the
I
morning.
will come the risk like half. You know, that kind of thing. So when price hits that alert, I feel just put my stop loss like I don't even know. Probably go break even, to be honest. But I really want that previous day. It's not that I just checking this now. Yes, daily spin is at 8:30. That's all the way down there. One, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go break even from here. About doing this one setup per day thing, we say that one risk where you go risk, you go feel like saying a lot. Because normally na like 500, and I do give myself two trades, 250, 250. For this November where I only want to do one trade, I guys want risk 500. So that's why. So the drawdown they always feel like madness. I don't want this 5 minutes to close above this price. That's it. This challenge account, man. I need to. That is the mentality I need to actually look to have. Like I always treat the account like it's like a live account. So and I suppose like normally okay cool if you get your own money where if you withdraw the money straight, don't be greedy. Like market no guys run previous daily low. If you see say market on day one area and your profit makes sense, take some. But for challenge accounts, it's like just let that bitch run. Just accept break even. Like when it gets to that point where you want to pull out, go break even or no allow yourself lose that trade ever again. But you guys still allow that trade to just play out, Jerry. I don't want to make this family play like this. Okay, I see that too. There you go, come. You do it down yesterday. Do it. It's a time. Clean time. It's actually clear what goes down with points. This low is supposed to get run out, man. What the hell thing? Stupid ass CEO got him spinning with his lights on. Niggas in the dome jealous, telling about the iPhone. What's the fuel approach, honey? You'll find you're the one. Let's keep that focus here. How far we traded into the value gap for 4 hours to 15 minutes. Like this. Midnight open. So this month, how many times they've gone? They've not gone to previous days low or retraced once. So there's another one coming, right? Okay. Me saying that now actually giving me more confidence. Trust because according to statistics, there's no on the calendar. There are there's 5 trading days left, and they always average 2. But now the reason why I say it increases my confidence is let me show you now. So you still understand this thing I'm saying a little bit later, but so now they run previous day high or low, or they retrace to previous day's fair value. Now, if you look at this previous day, this whole movement like this happened in one day. Candle number one, this down candle here. Candle number two, this one. Look at the arrow. Candle number three. Can you see that this number one and number three they don't touch? You see it already? You understand what I'm saying? So what does that form? So Now remember, so it's either it goes to previous day's fair value gap on the hourly time frame, or it goes to the previous day's high or low, right? Now, remember, I was saying that okay, there's at least one more day of consolidation coming. Let's assume it's today. That means they wouldn't come all the way up here, nor would they come all the way down here. Just play inside this range here like this, right? Because if it doesn't go up and it doesn't go down, it has to go sideways. You know. So this will just give me energy. So it's either they want to go and actually run this high to the previous day's fair value gap, or they want to go sideways. That's a trust my own. Okay, they're very into the buying market. So yeah, but in our own minds, we are bearish. You know, market. Um, there's no reason to buy into market basically. So there's still a chance that okay, I will hit stop loss. There's always a hit stop loss. But what can allow you to hit that stop loss and still be happy is that okay, cool. If they hit that fair value gap, that's a statistic. Okay. Yeah, the statistics are going up. So there's always a positive to the negatives of this shit. You can learn, you can, but if you don't learn, you just get cooked in. But, yeah, last thing on the price for actually running this high. It's still fresh. So, you probably don't want to like take um, that's a lot of. If I wasn't too much drug, money wise, it was but everybody on my payroll tight now. Call my bluff and try me. I get cooked. So next time, I don't really want to play emotional into this type trade. There's no, I signed a deal in my hood on a private jet. Temple is coming out. That's a good one. Definitely taking anything off. Okay. 0.3. You guys do more than that. You guys do more than 0.3. Don't whine yourself, bro. You know what's up, man. You finish it. Um, 1 to 1 again. Like, you just right there, man. It's kind of rejection with that. Where's the weekly cleaner from the one looking like fresh? Wow. But imagine when I done the trade all these big lot sizes. We are going to raise like 10K if I trade all these kind of things. I go come they see 5K if I don't crap. Like they have to focus on the setup. The setup. So like that, you just have to keep doing the same fucking shit every day, man. So the statistics can go on. I don't really like how they're pushing up like this. I need to work on my risk management. Let me kind of get cooked. Every day I want to go and do that. You say you go to the board. See you go
Almost even. Fuck, it doesn't put. She even won me that last time we played. How's that?
I swear, it just remains small, bro. Made the thing just knock my alert. So I'm quite dumb for letting it go. Managing that plan. Fuck. Wow. We'll go again next week. That's fucked up. That's fucked up, man. I'm not be doing it. Knew that 5 minutes closing above was a red flag. I think that's just my learning from today. Yeah, come and speak for it. See all these. So this candle here. So let's say so this blue line is literally the midpoint. Yeah, this 5 minutes the way it closed above. You see how the rest of these ones were failing to close below. That's why I was here like this. Like what the fuck? Like close below now. Like close below, close below. But he kept rejecting it, rejecting it, rejecting it. Till boom. This don't knock my stop loss. So. But plus, I ain't on my phone. I kind bullish price action. We will run me out in some minutes now. What it is. Let's see my face out. Ah, come on, man. How many minutes have we? 3 minutes. Damn. Wait till I only working so called. Mad if this thing still going crashes. I've seen it run these highs and not run out the high of the day and still crash. To the low of the day.